Hello and welcome back to a new video. In today's video we are going again to analyze the market, and today is 27 March 2024. As you can see, first let's start by analyzing the news. Today we had 3:30 a.m. we had CPI, OUD CPI yearly came out, and as you can see guys, previous it was 3.4 and forecast was 3.5, and actual it became 3.4. So that's why OUD it remained weak. And let's look tomorrow what kind of news we have. As you can see, starting from 1 a.m. in the night, we have USD FOMC member, and also the most important news guys is CAT JTP monthly, and also USD final GTP quarterly. So the last time that this news came out was guys on December 21, as you can see. So previous it was 5.2 and forecast was 5.5. Now it became actual 4.9. So tomorrow they are forecasting again to remain the same, like 3.2. So, and also unemployment claims came in as well. So all these until 5 p.m. guys, we have a news. Of course, NZD and OUD, we have a bank holiday. These two, we have bank holiday. So I'm not advising to trade these pairs tomorrow. So now let's analyze the market and see how it can, what kind of opportunities we can get, what kind of ready setups we have. So let me start on analyzing USD index. Okay, so first, if we start on USD index, we can see that USD, as you know guys, we have been analyzing all these last 2 months, starting the beginning of this month, and we can see day by day like USD was strong. So now if we see the structure, the last time we analyzed it guys, if you remember, if you watch the previous videos, we analyzed it in here and we had this structure, and then you can see exactly it reached our 9th rule. After that, what happened? USD index became strong, and you can see now the market is uptrend and is moving forward. So we have here we have impulse, we get correction, and now we are getting another impulse. So that means now this impulse that's running right now shows us the market is still USD can remain uptrend, and that's why guys we are expecting USD to reach these above areas. So we will see how it performs, and don't forget that tomorrow we have a news. Also let me share with you a Euro index as well. So Euro index guys, if we look for 4-hour time frame, the market is showing us a pure structure here. We got a double top plus ascending channel, and you can see it already Euro at the moment break our trend line. So where can Euro reach? So that's main question guys. If this structure it run it like this, Euro we are expecting these lows areas. So but if Euro break this above trend line, that means there is a strong area in Euro, but I don't think so that Euro will break this trend line, and that's why we are looking for Euro to remain weak until to reach these low areas, these low levels. So we will see how it performs as well. Also another interest pair guys is JPP. So as you know, pound guys, we have been analyzing as well. We got this nice beautiful impulse, and now as you can see here, it's forming a beautiful correction is happening right now. So what are we expecting at the moment in the market is that guys, we are expecting at least, guys, JBP to reach this target. Okay, our target for this pair, guys, will be here. So that's why it's very important. We have this beautiful structure. We had many times it retested our trend line, and we had little ascending channel, impulse, correction, and now we are getting another impulse. So and I will show you the beautiful pairs on related to JBP. Also, let me share with you JPY. Okay, guys, JPY is amazing. I don't know what to describe, how to describe this pair actually. So the last time, okay, we get this impulse. If you know, I have been analyzing this for so long. We get this impulse, and now as you can see, we get another impulse. We form it structure, correction, form it here, and look what happened. Okay, look what happened here. It breaked. So what are we expecting? For me, this week, okay, this week I am expecting JPY to at least reach these areas. Okay, and I will show you another beautiful pairs that we can trade as well. And of course, in the future, like we are expecting, we know that, guys, JPY economy was very bad, and JPY was really weak all the way, you know, starting I think 2020. So that's why now we are expecting this year, and even as we had JPY interested last week, we are expecting JPY, guys, to become strong, and in this year they are expecting the Japan economy to become well. So that's why we are just guys reading the price action here, and we are just analyzing the market, what kind of strong movement we can get. And that's why if we look for our time frame, already we get a big candle here, break our trend line, and this all shows that JPY is becoming strong. So we will see as well. Also, let me analyze you guys CAD indices. Even though CAD we have a news, JDP monthly news coming out tomorrow, and we can see here we already got this impulse, and now we are getting correction. So at least I'm waiting JP CAD to reach these double top, these areas. So now let me show you. Okay, if we analyze in the trading view, we can see 4 hour time frame DXY, same as USD. We are still expecting to become strong. So that's why now let's look Euro USD. I add on the list. The reason is that we know that Euro USD is the opposite of dollar. So that's why this one we already get, let me show you here, we get so many retested in our trend line, you know. So that's why now we get an impulse, and we are expecting this impulse, we get correction, and now at least, guys, I'm looking Euro USD to reach these areas. Okay, and now it already give us an entry here, so at least here, so 138 BBs. So maybe before tomorrow the news, it can reach these areas. So guys, as I am guessing, if tomorrow before the news Euro USD reach our trend line, there is high probability that it can go by direction tomorrow, and the news of the USD can be negative, and this one will be positive, and it will go by direction. So we will see how it runs till tomorrow. We will watch the market, and let me share with you Euro AUD, guys. Of course, like I just add Euro AUD. Of course, this one was on our watch list, and the last time we tell that it can reach these areas. After it reach, we will get an entry. Of course, we get an entry. It gave us 200 pips, and now what happens is kind of forming correction here. But for me, actually, still I'm waiting this pair to break these level areas, and at least we are expecting 490 pips. So we will see how it runs. Now it didn't even break our trend line, so I just add on the watch list, and we will watch it. So let me share with you beautiful guys pairs for JPY. Euro JPY, absolutely, today it gave us a pure entry point, and we can see here we get an impulse, we get correction, and bam. So if you look here, let me share with you here. If you look here, JPY, you can see, guys, you can see how amazing, how similar structure they are forming. We got impulse, correction, another impulse. This one is the same. So that is why we are expecting Euro JPY at least, guys, 584 pips. Why we are saying this is our main channel. Okay, this is our what? Main channel. So at least we are looking this pair to reach here. So, and we will see that means Euro JPY will remain positive, and that's why we add on our ad list. And another thing, guys, I want to share with you is JPY, Euro JPY, all the pairs that end up JPY, they are all same structure. Okay, they are what? Same structure. That's why JPY is already give us another entry today, and now at least we are expecting 557 pips. So guys, I'm not lying. JPY pairs are on fire this week. Also JPB CAD, you know, we have, but this one, you know, it already kind of forming correction here. So but if we are looking another continuation for this pair, at least, guys, that was our first entry here the last week, and we get already 215 pips, and now we are looking another entry somewhere here. Okay, and at least you can hold these low areas, which can be another 290 pips. So USD JPY is also pure structure. Let me show you here, guys. You can see here we have double top here. Okay, we have double top plus ascending channel. We got here little ascending channel happened formed here, and now you can see already one candle, big candle, break our trend line, and boom, the next candle is our entry. So that's why we are also waiting USD JPY to drop 494 pips. So all the JPY pairs are amazing. Finally, let's look gold together. Okay, gold. Last time gold, it went up 720 pips. It dropped again another 656 pips. So now what we are expecting on gold? So let me show you in 1 hour time frame. So as you can see today, okay, it didn't break our trend line here, and it went up 200 pips. So now what's next on gold? So guys, in my opinion, I was waiting gold, okay, this to reach this one more time, and now them to drop. Why I am saying that? First, we have here double top, and now I was expecting at least gold to reach these areas in order to sell. But don't forget, we have another we have this trend line. You can see how many times it retests. 1, 2. If it come the third time and it didn't break, yes, we will sell gold. So but don't forget, sometimes it cannot reach there. Why? Because we have another small double top here happen. You see, 1, 2. So there is also possibility that gold can drop here, and it gives you correction 15 time frame, and then it can drop like this. But or it will reach this trend line or this double top area, and then it can drop. There is no other third option. So we will see. We are looking gold, guys, for sell. So this is for all today, guys, and I want just to give you a short update about the market, and this is all the pairs we have on. I add on the watch list. If there's another new updates, I will share with you guys. Don't forget to subscribe